Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Hey guys, I'm here from Mr. Tech. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to unbox and quick review of this Poco F1 smartphone. As you can see, so I have the Poco F1 6GB plus 128GB steel blue variant. For unboxing this device guys, let's talk about the specifications of this device. The phone comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. You can also expand this storage of this device up to 256GB. The phone size is 16.18-inch Full HD plus display with notch, and the camera of this device guys, you can get 12 plus 5 megapixel of rear facing camera and 20 megapixel of front facing camera, and the battery capacity is guys 4000 mAh. It's support fast charging, and the processor of this device guys, you can get Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor in this device guys. So guys, quickly unbox this smartphone. So after unbox, you can get one more box in the box. So in this box you can get the back case for this device. So as you can see, the color of back case is fully transparent and the quality is very good. So let's move to the other accessories of the phone. So after the box you can get your device. So and here guys, you can get the one USB-C type adapter that support the fast charging for your device, as you can see. So yeah guys, this is very nice quality. So as you can see, this is the fast charging adapter. So with this adapter guys, you can get one USB-C type cable. So as you can see, so this is the USB-C type cable for your device. So as you can see, the wire quality is very good. So this is the accessories given with your device. There is no airport. So in the box you can get one SIM ejector too. So guys, let's move to the phone. So now I am going to boot this phone. So till the phone was booted, let's take the overview of this phone. You can see 16.18-inch Full HD plus notch display and 20 megapixel of front facing camera with LED flash in the front side of this phone, you can see. And in the back side of the device guys, you can get 12 plus 5 megapixel of rear facing camera with fingerprint sensor and with LED flash, as you can see. And in the top side of the device guys, you can get 3.5mm audio jack and one noise cancellation mic, as you can see. In the bottom side of the device guys, you can get speaker and one USB-C type that support fast charging for your device. And in the right side you can get volume control buttons and one power on off button. Guys, the build quality of the device and the thickness of the device is very good, as you can see. And in the left side of the device guys, you can get one SIM slot. So in this SIM slot guys, you can insert two SIM card or one SIM card or one memory card. So this both SIM slot was supported 4G LTE. So friends, the phone build quality and the look of this phone is very nice. So it's very premium, as you can see. So I like the build quality and the look of this phone. Now quickly boot the phone. So now your phone was now booting. Wait for a few seconds guys. You can see Poco by Xiaomi. So your phone was now totally booted. I have completed the setup of this phone, as you can see friends. So now I am opening the phone settings and let's check it out, the software information of this phone. Guys, the phone comes with Android version of 8.1.0, means Android Oreo, and the MIUI version of 9.6.14, as you can see. And as I said, this I have the 6GB and 128GB variant of this device. So guys, now see the touch and phone performance of this device. So guys, the touch performance is very quick and very fast responding, as you can see. So in my next tutorial guys, I am going to show you the camera performance of this device. So that's it for today guys, nothing more to show you in this video. So if you like my video, so guys, if you like, please like, share and subscribe. If you have not subscribed Mr. Tech, so please guys subscribe Mr. Tech for daily amazing and interesting videos. Thank you.